And we've already broken out analytics versus data science, right? So here, let's take that one step further. Let's iterate that out. So analytics and data science. So while I'm typing, it gives you guys an opportunity in the chat to ask questions, take in some of this information. Maybe something doesn't make sense, just let me know. So on the analytics side, okay. So you can see here that on the analytics side, we've already identified a couple of different studies, right? The hypothesis is that 3 age buckets is not enough, that you want to break it out further. Or that you want to isolate for the elderly at 62 years old because again, there's laws that protect the elderly from financial abuse. So maybe you want to do that, right? Maybe you want to know what habits lead to financial abuse. That's super helpful for most financial institutions, right? Because if you don't follow it, you get fined by the government. It's very serious penalties, right? So now you're talking about things that you can approach the business with, right?